So I'm gonna be unboxing this box. My sister sent it to me. She is stationed in Italy. She's in the Air Force or whatever. So I told her to send me some snacks. It says, "To my beautiful sister, I hope you enjoy your little taste of Italy. The bear is for Maya Papaya, of course. I love you. P.S. The Italian Fanta slaps. Your baby sis, Jada." And then she sent me this. She sent me this little picture. And it says, "I'm in Italy, bitch." She's annoying. That's super cute. That picture is fire. I'm gonna keep that. Tink isn't here right now. She's visiting some family. But okay, so this is one of my favorite candies. These are Skittles, but they look so different. Share the rainbow, taste the rainbow. Crazy sour Skittles. What's up? How do you open it? Oh gosh. Is it resealable? Yeah, you can't reseal it. They don't even have sours. They don't have the sour stuff on the outside. It tastes like a... It doesn't taste sour at all. That's different. These are pretty sweet. Okay. That's weird. Next in the box. Well, okay, now it's a little sour. Barely though. It ain't nothing like the American version of sour Skittles. This is Pringles Paprika. Do we have these here? I don't even know. Ooh. It don't smell like nothing. I see Italy is very mild on the sauce. I'm trying to think what these taste the most like to me, like as a reference. But if you watch me eating the Mexican candy, y'all, I am not good at describing stuff. I suck. But these are good. Like, they're pretty plain. It's not like nothing crazy. Coca-Cola. You sent me a Coke. What, does it taste different? I wonder, does it taste different? I don't know. I don't really drink Coke like that. I don't know if this tastes different or not. Okay, so it says Kit Kat by Nestle. Has Kit Kat always been made by Nestle? Why is there so many? There's 3 in here. Is Kit Kat really made by Nestle? New, more intense taste. I'm gonna Google that. I really want to know. It came with three bars on the inside. Is Kit Kat made by Nestle? Ooh, I burped. Excuse me. I did it again. Ew. Okay. When it says more intense taste, I'm gonna assume that they're referring to the grade of chocolate. It tastes like a more rich chocolate than the ones that you just get from like the gas station. I don't know what this is. Obviously it's an Italian because I don't know what it says. It smells like a pastry or some shit. It's like the softest bread I've ever felt in my life. I don't know what this is. Oh, the inside is cream with chocolate. But it was good, I guess. Like, Cho. Yeah, I don't fucking know. But it's another candy bar by Nestle. Nestle's popping out there when it comes to the chocolate. Do we have these here in America? I don't think so. I don't think I never seen this. Lion something. Okay, so this one, this part, outside part, like a Crunch bar. The inside, like a Twix. San Pellegrino with stuff floating on the inside. Oh shit. I don't have a bottle opener. I'm not a drinker, so I guess we're SOL on this one. Yeah, I don't know how to open a bottle without a bottle opener. These look like vanilla wafers. It looks like the same stuff that's in this. That S word is on here too. Whatever that means. I'm not trying to eat no damn pocket coffee while I'm pregnant. I've noticed that a lot of things come like double or triple in a pack. I feel like this is such a horrible idea. Pocket coffee espresso. Ooh, that smells just like a coffee beans. Yeah. Jada, nice try, but I'm not gonna eat that one. I'm not trying to have Brooklyn beating me up worse than he already is. Oh, here goes the Fanta. Oh, that looks way different. Fanta. Whew. Soda is just so... It tastes way different from the regular Fanta. But slaps? No. Nah, I don't think it slaps. It don't taste that great. Maybe it's because I'm pregnant. That's why everything is just like whatever. Jada, all this chocolate with nuts. Okay. I hear the foil underneath. Ooh, fancy, fancy. Give me Willy Wonka vibes. Y'all hear that? You got the golden ticket! Yeah, I need friends. Oh, it's really soft. It's like a milk chocolate. It's nice. Chocolate in Italy seems to taste very different than chocolate here. This one's harder. I like this one better than the last one. It comes with 3 again. These are like little balls. They got these in the line at Walmart. Like when you're in the checkout line. They got something that tastes like this. It might be the same name. I don't know. Is this water? I don't know why I'm even trying to read this. It was a little. Not water. What the fuck? What is this? It tastes nasty, yet it's very satisfying. But I don't think I'd be drinking this if I wasn't pregnant. Is this water? Sparkling water with no flavor? I don't know. I feel like this some shit a grandma would drink. But I like it, so I'm gonna probably drink all of that. I don't know if we have these here or not. It's like a biscuit, but the inside of that is like the inside of this. Whatever that was. Nutella biscuits. That tastes like a coffee cookie. So, out of everything, I think this is my favorite. Even though it's type nasty, but it's still good. I don't know. This one was my favorite. Jada, I feel like you sent me a bunch of grandma snacks. Thanks though. I think the box was super sweet. I don't like it, Jada. I tried it again. These chips are by far my favorite. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like. Leave a comment, even if it's just some emojis. Let me know y'all see me, and I'll let y'all know I see y'all back. Follow me on my social medias, and oh my God. I'm so gross. I'm disgusting. Y'all bye. Grazie.